I'm Jonathan Beck, Technical Program Manager at Unified Cloud. This video series will introduce you to CloudRecon, which is a part of the Cloud Atlas integrated toolset. The Cloud Atlas suite of tools support the entire cloud migration lifecycle from discover and assess, target and migrate, to monitor and report. In this video, we'll be looking at the different lift and shift reports. These reports are under the Cloud Migration tab. Clicking on the Cloud Migration tab will show you a drop-down with a list of the different lift and shift reports. Clicking on the first lift and shift report will show you the report with all the different costs and overview of what will be migrated with a lift and shift migration. On the left, the report outputs three different monthly cost models: the pay-as-you-go model, 1-year reserve model, and the 3-year reserve model. These tables lay out the compute cost and the storage cost of the Windows VMs, SQL VMs, and Linux VMs. It is not shown here, but there may be other categories such as BizTalk. These will also be expanded into these tables as they are found. The table on the right shows you the summary of the number of machines that will be migrated in a lift and shift scenario. To size these machines for optimal migration, the performance data that is needed will be the CPU utilization percentage, memory utilization percentage, disk utilization, IOPS, and NIC count. Workload information is also factored into right-sizing the machines, because some of the machines might have low performance, but it might have a critical workload associated with it. The virtual machine tabs is a tab that will allow you to customize the report. These are all the machines that we have found during the discovery phase. The machines that are not right-sized will be highlighted, and the information that was not available during the discovery will be red with NA. The Azure VM readiness will be indicated whether the machine is ready to be migrated or not. Clicking on the pen icon on the left will bring up this pop-up window that will allow you to customize the entries of the machines. This will be typically done for two reasons. One, to fill in the data that was not captured during the discovery, or it will change the performance data because the period of the discovery did not capture the full utilization of the machines. You can also tag the machines with application names, workloads, or groups so that it will be easier to filter these machines later when you migrate. You can also exclude certain machines from migration by unchecking the checkbox on the left. You can also change the regions of the machines, and you can also change the environment of the machines to either production or development and test. These will change the prices of the machines depending on the region and the environment. You can also change the prices of the machines by changing the pricing model on the top with pay-as-you-go, 1-year reserved, or 3-year reserved. The prices will also change whether or not you have SA benefits from Microsoft. The Other Services tab will show you the services that we recommend when you migrate to Azure. These are not just industry best practices, but these recommendations were given because of the information that we have found and the migration that will take place. These will include the security, networking, and monitoring services. The assumptions that we have made are listed in the Assumptions tab. The colors on the side are color coding schemes that we have used in the Excel sheets that you can export with the button at the top. For example, we do not have enough information to give a storage cost for Linux machines, so it has been color coded with red. Workload information was not available for these machines and have been color coded with red. The lift and shift report can be further customized with the Microsoft licensing statement, or the MLS. The MLS can be provided to you through an Excel sheet from Microsoft. You can upload this Excel sheet if you're going to the lift and shift with MLS. Click on the Browse button and upload the data. The MLS Summary tab will list a number of licenses that you have purchased with Microsoft. The License Distribution tab will show you the licenses that you will potentially consume as you migrate using the lift and shift model that we have generated with this report. For example, you will require 471 licenses with Windows servers, and we have consumed 471 of those licenses. Lastly, the lift and shift reserved instance report will show you the prices of the reserved instances that you can purchase to migrate. It'll show you the cost comparisons to the different models that you desire to choose from, such as the pay-as-you-go running 24/7, 1 year reserved running 24/7. If you know exactly how much the machines that you will use, you can go to the Input tab and put your own inputs. You can either put different inputs for individual machines, or you can change the inputs based on the environment. For example, this dev and test data server will only work during the weekdays. Saturdays and Sundays are unchecked, and they will run 12 hours. The Output tab will show you the different reserved instances in detail, and the VM costing will show you the detailed cost of each reserved instance. That will be the end of this video. This video we have covered the lift and shift reports. All the other videos will cover the remaining aspects of CloudRecon.